Hey there, De-Crypt back again with another update for you. Like the last one, not too much to report. As you can see, I have the Bitcoin chart up on my screen at the moment. And if you remember correctly, last time I predicted that. Let me just make this a little bit smaller for you. Um, if you remember correctly, I predicted that we were going to we broke out of this flag. You can just see the point of the flag. Yeah, we broke out, and I predicted that we were probably going to come down and test this trend line as the floor for the next rise. So far, so good. It's behaving exactly like I thought it would. Might be extending a little bit further. I just want to make this a little bit bigger again so that I can show you something. As you can see here, I have added a new flag within this little piece that is broken out of the original flag. And so far, as you can see, it's behaving perfectly well inside the flag. Now, if I look at the timeline, at the end of the flag, where everything intersects, is more or less the 2nd of June. So I can't see this extending past the 2nd of June. The price is on average going to drop, I suppose, until around at the latest the 2nd of June. But I expect before then we should see a breakout either up or down, and I suspect it's going to be on the upside. There's a couple of reasons for that. There's a couple of predictions by some other people that I follow, which I agree with. I think we're going to break out somewhere probably around the 30th or the 1st. As you can see, there's quite a lot of pressure building up by the I mean, there's the 1st. So I don't think we're going to get so close, although it's possible, to the point of the flag, put it that way. I think we're going to break out somewhere probably around between the 28th and the 30th, but maybe as late as the 1st, and probably on the upside. And then I think we're probably going to see quite a rise in the price. I think it's ready now. I think we've had it. It's settled down quite nicely, and for once, it's actually predictable. You can do a bit of charting, and it's actually behaving according to what the chart is saying, which means that maybe the manipulators have stopped manipulating, or not manipulating as much, and they've got in, and things are ready to go now. This is my take on it anyway. So that's hoping for Bitcoin. Unfortunately, I don't have any Bitcoin myself at the moment. So this is a pretty useless bit of information for me. But it means a lot for a couple of other people who I've advised to get into Bitcoin when it was low. They're already pretty happy. One or two have got in on the higher side and are getting a little bit impatient now because they might be down slightly. But yeah, I think we are between the 28th of this month and the 1st of June, we're going to see a breakout, hopefully on the upside, and then I think things are going to happen. Let's take a look at DIG, which I suppose is what we're all here for at the end of the day. It's what this channel is about, really. I'm basically not quite all in, but you can say I'm all in with Dignity. The price is slightly lower now. It's probably less than half of what its all-time high has been. But I don't think that's going to be a problem. I know there's expected news on the 25th, and I'm hoping it's going to be good news. But a little bit of information I have, or a little birdie has told me that between the 25th and the 1st, we should see a little bit of a price dip. I'm not going to say any more than that. I don't want to betray my sources of information, but I think that is what is going to happen. It's quite possible. It's highly likely. Between the 25th and the 1st, we should see a bit of a price dip. Probably from the 25th, it will start dipping, and I think a sudden recovery from the 1st of June, and then I think we should see some decent rises in the price. I'm expecting some really good news on the 1st. Things should start happening, and people should be enthusiastic, and that should reflect in the price. It should chase the price up. I'm still waiting. I can't wait for Dignity to be listed on TradingView. I know I said last time it was listed on actually not Coinergy, I think it was. Unfortunately, I don't have a paid account with them, so I can't do any charting on Dignity. This chart on Livecoin is useless, really. I wish they would do something about their charts on their website, but yeah, it is what it is. That's about all I have at the moment. Yeah, I think watch out for the 25th. I think you might see, starting on the 25th, you might see a bit of a price dip again, and with a pretty steep recovery from the first. And I think possibly all new all-time highs. I don't know. That's about it for today. Quick one. So enjoy. Let's get out there and make some money. Cheers.